Welcome to HustleHub, the ultimate destination for hustlers, creators, and go-getters who want to escape the 9-to-5 and build real passive income streams online. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest topics in 2025, AI tools that actually pay you daily. That's right, no waiting weeks for payouts. These platforms can put money into your account as soon as the same day. Let's start with tool number 1, Task AI. This platform pays you for labeling data, training AI, and completing micro tasks. The best part, you can cash out daily through PayPal once you hit the threshold. Tool number 2, ClickWorker with AI add-ons. This site allows you to complete simple jobs like proofreading, content creation, and image tagging. And yes, many of their projects now integrate directly with AI, making the work faster. You can withdraw almost instantly. Number 3, Crisp AI Referral Program. You've heard of Crisp, the AI noise cancellation app. They'll actually pay you daily if you bring in referrals. And because this tool is in high demand with remote workers, referrals can stack up quickly. 4th, user testing AI experience reviews. Big companies are desperate for real feedback on AI-generated interfaces. You can get paid $10 to $60 per test, and payments can arrive in as little as 24 hours. Now here's where the twist comes in. Not all AI tools require you to perform tasks. Some let you generate content or even sell pre-built templates. Canva AI Marketplace is one of them. You create designs, list them on their platform, and each time someone downloads, you get paid. And yes, Canva lets you cash out daily if you connect your Stripe account. Number 6, ChatGPT API projects. Developers and non-developers alike are building mini apps with ChatGPT. Sites like Gumroad or Kofi allow you to monetize those projects and withdraw instantly. Imagine creating a simple daily affirmation bot and getting paid every single day. 7th, Playtest Cloud with AI integrated games. You literally get paid to play and test games, many of which are AI driven. They pay testers via PayPal within 24 hours. 8th, Rev AI transcription. While normal transcription work is slow, their AI enhanced tools help you finish faster. You're still paid for the minutes you transcribe, and you can cash out frequently. 9th, Fiverr AI gigs. This is one of the most creative daily earners. By offering AI-based gigs like logo generation, content rewriting, or video editing templates, you can get orders daily. And Fiverr's cleared funds are withdrawable daily to PayPal or Payoneer. And finally, number 10, Amazon MTurk with AI add-ons. This classic platform has modernized with AI-related microtasks. While single payments are small, volume and daily withdrawals make it a consistent earner. Here's the plot twist. Most people think AI tools will replace jobs. But in reality, they're creating new income streams for those who know how to leverage them. Instead of worrying about AI taking your work, start thinking about how to make AI work for you. So, which AI tool are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments below, and let's compare notes. If you found value today, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who wants to escape the 9-to-5 grind. At HustleHub, our mission is simple: to help you hustle smarter, not harder.